Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the BOOX Pen, which is normally a specialized pen for the ONYX BOOX Note Air, but which also works on the other ONYX note takers. Warning, it does not work on a Remarkable. As you can see, the pen is long and large, a rattling noise when manipulated, and has no eraser nor button. It has grooves on the shaft to improve the grip and is made of a fairly hard plastic material. Its weight is 13 grams and a half, which is an average weight since the lightest styluses can be about 7 grams, like the S Pen S6 Lite, and the heaviest ones can be up to 20 grams, like the Marker Plus from Remarkable, or the Lamy with the cap on. Its diameter is between 9.2 and 9.6 millimeter, which is more in the category of thick stylus. Its length with the nib is 15.5 centimeters, which makes it also a rather long stylus. We can compare, for example, with the ONYX Classic round pen, and also, for example, with the STAEDTLER Noris Digital Jumbo. Another very specific feature of the BOOX Pen is that it is magnetic, which makes it possible to attach it to the side of the Note Air like this. The problem is that it's technically not as successful as the Remarkable, as the stylus tends to fall off easily. It holds a little better when using the specific folio of the Note Air like this. And finally, the last particularity is those very specific and non-standard 0.8 millimeter hard nibs that you can change and remove like this. I have to mention that when you buy the Note Air, you only have one nib, no spare nibs, and the extra nibs are around $20 for 5 nibs, which is a bit expensive in my opinion. The grip is not bad, even if I personally don't really like the rattling and the hard plastic. The writing feel with those nibs is rather slippery. We are not really on a paper writing feeling. And even if the nibs are quite fine, the precision is rather average. It's better, for example, than with the Marker Plus here from Remarkable on the Note Air. But it's not as good, for example, as with the standard round ONYX stylus, with which I can make fine lines more easily. End of this presentation of the BOOX Pen, which is a stylus very specific for the Note Air. Hope you enjoyed. If you like, please subscribe to the channel and like to the videos. See you for the next one. Goodbye.